गोय सरकारान कोंकणीची जमीन NIT संस्थे खातीर दिल्या। हो प्रकल्प 3 वर्सां भितर पुराय जातलो। हातूंत गोंयकारां खातीर 40% आरक्षण आसतलें। IDEX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
Goa has an NIT. Goa is known. Amchi Goa, Hamara Goa, Namma Goa, Sabka Goa. Goa is a well-known world in the history as well as present in the whole world. 2009, MHRD decided in the 11th five-year plan to give one NIT to state of Goa. So in 2010-11, in the month of July 2010, we from Surathkal, Dr. Sandeep Sancheti was made an in-charge director to look after the affairs of NIT Goa. And myself, along with the director designate Dr. Gopal Mograi, we were in that team at the beginning 2010. So we mentored it for a few months. Then the government selected the permanent director in 2011. On 19th October, Dr. GRC Reddy took charge as the director of NIT Goa. He was there for full 5 years and his term got ended on October 17th, 2016. At the same time, I was selected as a director of NIT Jaipur, MNIT Jaipur, Malviya National Institute of Jaipur.
In a way, it is a proud culmination of a difficult process that we are celebrating today by handing over the land for construction of the NIT campus to the NIT Society of Goa. And it is the beginning that we are making today. It's really a historic event that we are all a part of. The process of NIT having its own campus begins today. We are laying the foundation, and I am extremely certain that we will have a tremendous infrastructure built on this foundation in the months and years to come. NIT Goa is a prestigious and most desirable institution for this tiny state of Goa.
Not any problem because they are established. There are 3 NITs like Patna, Raipur and Tripura. They were upgraded from government engineering college. They don't have a problem. But there are 11 NITs who are new, like 7 are in Northeast. In fact, I happen to be the director of NIT Tripura, NIT Meghalaya and NIT Mizoram. I was lucky that I'm back as a human being back. So, but the thing is that it's very tough. The reason is that initial step nobody will appreciate. Now the Goa is among that. We have Puducherry, Goa, Srinagar, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur also. Now the Goa is the advantage because it's well connected. We have more than about, I am told, 150 flights, more than 12 trains, and we can attract good students. I tell you, as a teacher, I tell that an institution cannot be built by bricks or contractor. The institution is built by people, good teachers, good students, good supporting staff, good teaching learning process. Today IITs are great not because of building, because of the teaching learning process.
2012 हांव जेन्ना निवडून आयलो तेन्ना ओनर्स म्हणजे बरे आयले त्या जमनीचे एक सोसायटी आहा ते गांवकारी एक वेरोडा रानोल्फ कुतिन्यू आनी तिसरो ओनर मारियो मोरायस आनी तांणी सांगलें की आमी NIT जागो दिवपाक तयार आसा म्हणून. हाजे पयलीं 2010 खूब ओपोज जाल्लो पूण हांणी दिता म्हणटकीर हांवें तेन्नाचे मुख्यमंत्री म्हणजे बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर हांचे बरें आयले आनी पर्रीकरान एक हाजेर ताणें घट धरलें आनी सामको म्हाका सपोर्ट दिलो ही NIT जाय पर्यंत. मदीं आमचे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर बाब लक्ष्मण पार्सेकर हांणी 38 crores ते जमनीचे ते बालकां दिले, ताणें प्रोसेस फास्ट केलो आनी आतां परत एकदां आमचे मुख्यमंत्री येवन आनी ते 50% ते कॉम्प्लिकेशन जाल्लें ते ताणें सॉल्व करून 10% तांकां दिवन 40% आमच्या गोंयकारांक एसी दिवपाची मागणी करून आज हे सुंदरशें फंक्शन हांगा जाता.
15th of July हे दिसाक आयज ही NIT ही आमच्या कुंकळ्ळी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीक ही येता आनी ते पेपर आज हँडलिंग केल्यात. हांव पयले सुवातेर शाबासकी दिता गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा, CMान फुडाकार घेवन ही NIT ही पयलीच फावट जे आमच्या गोंयांत ही कुंकळ्ळी शारान येता. आनी हांव एक सभे माझा फुडोवंक सोदता. आमी कुंकळकार एक फ्रिडम मुवमेंट 400 वर्सां पयलीं हो मुवमेंट सुरू जाल्लो आयच्या दिसाक. तो आयच्या दिसाक आमकां ही NIT हो आज डॉक्युमेंट आज आमकां फावो जाला.